science. Shanti. Yeah. Myself, Swami Srinivasananda Saraswati. I am working as a president of Andhra Pradesh Sadhu Parishad. Today, all the saints and Peethadipati, Mathadipatis are gathered here. We are totally disturbed. Our hearts are very in bad condition, very painful condition. Not only sadhus, entire Venkateshwara Swami devotees also the same situation. In Andhra Pradesh, YSR CP, Jagan Mohan Reddy, he belongs to a Christian community. He never giving importance to the Lord Venkateshwara. He never agree in the declaration in Tirupati, Tirumala. If any other religion bhakta wants to do darshan of Lord Venkateshwara, he must be signed in declaration. He has to agree. Lord Venkateshwara is the Kali Yuga God. That's why I am giving so much of prostrations to Venkateshwara this manner. But never Jagan Mohan Reddy, he never any Brahmosava, very sanctity, great Brahmosava, so many ceremonies, spiritual ceremonies. He never take his wife. He alonely come he come alonely and he wants to go alonely. But never, it is in Tirumala there is a great, what is it called? It is in that is Sutras, Agama Sutras, Agama Shastras and Sthala Puranas also. Without wife, nobody could not do any puja in Tirumala Kshetra. Great ceremonies like Brahmosava, Garudosava, whatever it may be. So he never believe in Hinduism. He has no belief on Hindus. That's why he appointed chairmen as Christian chairmen. Karunakar Reddy, Subba Reddy, Dharma Reddy, like this. He appointed the Christian employees, AEOs, JEOs, superintendents, like that. So whenever the other religion persons are doing jobs in Tirumala, they have no faith and belief on Venkateshwara. That's why they always saw the Lord Venkateshwara is only a business purpose. They could not believe in Venkateshwara. That's why they are doing so much. They are whatever the action they are doing, whatever the trust board meeting is going on, their all decisions are like business manner. There is no sanctity. That's why Laddu Prasada is impure also. Laddu Prasada and Darshana, whatever it may be, totally in 5 years, Jagan Mohan Reddy, he ruined the sanctity of Tirumala Kshetra. This is the very pitiable situation in Andhra Pradesh. Not only Tirupati and abroad, all the Devasthanas. He has taken so much of money in Hundi Adaya, in his private government programs, Jagananna Twafa, Jagananna Odi, Jagananna Divena. He could not take the money from budget, only for Devasthana Hundis. Hindu pilgrims, those who are offered the money in Hundis, he kept the Hundis. This is the pitiable situation. This is so essential. This is so necessary because one apachara, what is it called? Maybe is a great conflict. So this apachara, whatever our Puranas, our Shastras, Tirumala Shastras saying, one apachara is occurred. Some Santi Yajnas and some rituals are so necessity for the Samprokshana, for the it is for the doing this Santi Yajna, Santi Homa, peaceful atmosphere will be created in Lord Venkateshwara temple in and around the Tirumala Kshetra. So it is so necessary, and everybody wants to seeking the government to punish whatever they have done so much of a bad activity. They have to punish it, and every Bhakta, Venkateshwara Bhakta, wants to be see the whatever the Tirumala Kshetra in the past, Apurva Vaibhava, whatever in the past, that nature, that atmosphere, that sanctity, everybody Bhakta wants to, they wanted to see the Apurva Vaibhava, and our Sadhu Santus also, we are also demanding